Selecting more lines. Often you will want to apply the same modifications on more than one line. You can perform this by selecting all intended lines and then executing the desired modifications. For selecting more than one line, make a normal selection of the first line. You can select the other lines when you press the Ctrl key. Golden Touch will rim several lines with a border. Each modification performed in the layout will be executed in all selected lines. Moving text on a plate. Golden Touch was specially designed to automatically spread out the text lines over the rectangular plates. This feature is labor-saving, but still you will need to determine the location of the text yourself. Golden Touch makes this very easy. Select one or more lines. Point the mouse on one of the selected lines. Press the right-hand mouse button and do not release it. Move the mouse while pressing and holding the right mouse button. You will notice that the selected line follows the mouse. Release the right mouse button only when the lines are at the right location. Automatic numbering. Golden Touch enables to make plates with an automatic numbering. This is very handy if you have to make almost identical plates showing a different position. First, second, third. Take the following text as an example. Tournament, London, first place, second place, third place, fourth place and fourth run. Proceed as follows. Select the third line. Click on the button 1, 2, 3 next to the box. The next window is displayed on the screen. In this window you must indicate the numbering. The first plate will use the number that you type in the numbering from box. For the next plate, this numbering is increased by the value from the in steps from box. Normally, everyone starts the numbering from 1 to, for example, 10 in steps of 1. For each next plate, the numbering will be increased by the same value until the total number to be printed is superior to the value into the 2 box. Setting an image on a plate by using an image from a file. Use this method if you have the Golden Touch gallery or other images saved on your hard disk. Click on the yellow map and choose from the gallery or from the map you want to use. I choose now for the gallery 2 and for 008. Then click on Open. The file is read in and the image is inserted in the design window. As there is not yet a text on the plate, the size of the image is automatically adapted and automatically fills out the plate. Notice that the image is represented with the 8 so-called handles. Pulling these handles enables to enlarge or reduce the dimension of the image. Moving the image goes in the same way as moving a text. Click in the image with the right mouse button and drag the image to the desired position. Combining text and images. Golden Touch allows almost unlimited combinations of images and text. With the stretching and moving techniques, you can arrange text and images. In the figure box, however, some buttons provide for an automatic arrangement of text and images. Start a new design and add some text lines. Then insert an image using one of the methods described above. If the design already has text, Golden Touch will not automatically position the image. Give Golden Touch the command to automatically arrange the design, clicking on one of the following buttons. Economy mode. For several Golden Touch materials, the plates are situated next to each other on a carrier. Often you will need only one copy of a plate. A lot of material will be lost if the economy mode is not used, since the Golden Touch printer cannot reuse a row in which it already used one plate, as it cannot print a second or third design next to it. Switch on the economy mode by clicking the economy mode button in the lower right corner of the Golden Touch window. As you do so, you will see the LED turn green. This indicates economy mode is on. You can switch it back off by pressing the same button again. When using the save function, Golden Touch sends information to the printer but waits for giving the actual printed command. Doing so, Golden Touch can send the next design to the printer before something is actually printed. Only when a full row of labels is finished, when you exit the Golden Touch program or when you turn off economy mode, the printer will print the waiting plates. As soon as you print the plate with economy mode on, you will see the LED change to red. This means economy mode is on and one or more jobs are waiting to be printed. Saving your work. Golden Touch can save a design on the hard disk of your computer. Saved designs can be reopened, modified and printed. Use this option to save a design for a client with a view on possible supplementary orders or for saving and reusing standard plates. To save the design, click on File in the Golden Touch menu and then click on Save. If you want to save a new design for the first time, you have to give it a file name. Windows displays a standard Save File dialog box. After typing the file name, click on the Save button. Golden Touch saves your design on the hard disk of your computer. For retrieving the design, select Open in the File menu. Golden Touch displays the Open File window and lists the existing designs. Click on the desired file in the list or type the file name in the file name box. Then click on Open. Golden Touch retrieves the file and the design is displayed in the design window. Deleting lines or images. You can erase any text line or image from the design. Select the lines you want to erase. Point the Edit menu and then click on Delete. This command deletes all selected items, leaving all other untouched. If you erase text lines while automatic layout is turned on, the remaining lines are automatically distributed over the plate.